Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in a collaboration being hosted by Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime. I'll put a link to her channel and to the playlist that she's creating in the description box below. Last year also I participated in this collaboration and I shared some of the Christmas traditions in our family, what we do during Christmas time or on the Christmas Eve or on the day. And this video is going to be about a tablescape that I'm going to create. I usually don't do much of tablescapes because we are more into buffet dinners and buffet settings and very informal dining. But today I decided to share a tablescape with you. It's a simple one, but I hope you will like it. I love to do a lot of DIY, decor, haul, some recipe, little style projects and some travel, everything within a budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. You can also subscribe by hitting the little icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. Welcome again. This is my dining table and my dining area. This is how it looks every day. I just have a runner on the center of the table, sometimes a big one, sometimes a small one, and a little centerpiece which has what item is required. And I like life everywhere, so I love to have a plant almost everywhere, wherever I can and wherever light permits me to have a plant. Some pickles, some salt and pepper shaker or something like that, something of daily use, that's only there. We have a very active family, everybody, the kids and the adults. We are active in the sense we tend to utilize every space of the house, and therefore to have an elaborately decorated table is not something very practical for my home. So I don't do very formal dining room decor or dining table decor or tablescapes, but I like to keep it simple and practical, and I love lots of greens and simple decor. And with this I would like to create a tablescape because whenever I host dinners, I cover the table with a proper table cover because I don't like the shiny look of this, because this is not real wood, this is vinyl or MDF or plywood, sun mica, something like that. So I like to cover this with the tablecloth when I'm hosting dinners, and for everyday life I love this runner. So let me remove this, my everyday decor, and deck it up. So after removing the existing decor, I cleaned the table and added my tablecloth. It's a filigree or the net cover, and I love the white, a little off-white creamy kind of color. It's very soft. Then to deck it up further, I added a runner, but this time I just used an coffee color or a light biscuit color shawl, and I just put it like ruffled and informally in the center, not very ironed or stretched like that, just to get that informal yet comfortable look. And it runs through and through the length of the table, and it looks nice. Now to give little height to whatever decor I place, I needed a table raiser. I'll do a DIY and a table raiser sometime in future. I don't like tall centerpieces on the dining table because I feel it hinders with the communication. So I prefer a little low height, and so I added a pillar candle right in the center, and I took out my steel globular candle holders and added them onto the two sides to give that symmetrical triangular shape which looks very beautiful in decor. Next is the time to add some greens here in form of pine leaves. I love greenery, but I kept this still very minimal. Next I brought out the plates from my dinner set. This is all glass, clear glass, and has got this beautiful pattern on it. I placed it on the table. I added a glass because I have to have water with every meal. This is pretty annoying. I drink a lot of water with my meals. I love these napkins. They are this perfect color of white, green and red. So perfect for the season. I just added them informally through a napkin ring and on the plate. Next, I added some cutlery to finish this section. I decided to add a little touch of red using this funky pom-pom bow, and I just very informally just made it go all along my runner, and it's kind of cute as that festive touch. I also hid some fairy lights in between the below the leaves and the red ribbons and inside the runners. I should have done this step earlier. Finally, in place of ornaments, I used some lovely chocolates wrapped in beautiful red, white and green wrappers onto the table. It just adds that happy charm, happiness of that of a childlike happiness to this table. After having done this video, last night we had a lovely dinner over this table setting. I hope you enjoyed this little table setting of mine, and people out there who are like me who don't do such any of those formal table setting, elaborate table setting would feel encouraged to sometimes enjoy a beautiful table setting, a beautiful tablescape, and enjoy a simple or a lovely dinner or a meal with the family and friends. What I love best during holidays, during Christmas, is to bake lovely cakes, have a wonderful meal, and have it with my family while watching some happy Christmas movies. Thank you everybody for watching, and happy holidays to each one of you. And see you soon in my next video.